top 5 skills you can learn to increase your financial condition and be a next millionaire. Who knows, you be the next billionaire. So let's get started with the skill set that you can learn in 2019 to be a millionaire. So see, first thing is, I'm not giving you the formula. It's proven thing and it's all known. How? There is logic. Think of this like this. It's the world of AI. It's the world of artificial intelligence. So I'm going to give you top 5 skills that won't be taken over by robots, AIs, machine learning, things like that. So these are the skill set that only human being can do, at least in this century. The number 1 skill that you can learn is programming. I also teach programming in this channel, so you can also learn Python programming from this channel. There are already videos on Python programming and programming tips also. I am a programmer by profession and I'm an entrepreneur by also profession. So see, you can learn programming and that's very huge. There is a huge amount in programming. Think of top billionaires: Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg. All of these are programmers. So who knows, you'll be the programmer and next billionaire. Second skill that you can learn is copywriting. The word copywriting is not copyright that you see, COPYRIGHT. It's not copyright. Copywriting is sales in written form, meaning you will be selling a product or service or anything to people, persuade them to buy a product. So this is how you make money with copywriting. There is a huge scope in this field. So first thing, there is no much competition like in programming. There are few copywriters only as compared with programmers. So you can pursue this because competition is very low and product demand is very high, meaning demand and supply, right? Demand is very high, supply is low, so you can be one of the supply. The third skill that you can learn is digital marketing. So digital marketing these days are very much popular. As said, there is high demand and low supply. So you can also pursue this. There is a huge money in this field. So digital marketer is a profession which helps companies to advertise in digital platform. See, social medias these days are very popular, right? So according to that, the companies are willing to advertise in those social medias and they don't have proper knowledge. You can learn and serve them and make money from it. So who knows, next millionaire is you by learning this skill. The fourth skill that you can learn, and everybody can learn mostly, is teaching. See, most of the people take teaching as a bad profession, but it's the best profession ever. I'm not talking about teaching in universities and things like that, but giving your knowledge to others. See, robots can never do this. AI can never teach a person how to learn anything. Think of like this. If you have any skill set, maybe you have skill set of programming, you can teach others. Yes, who doesn't know about it, who doesn't know about this thing, you can teach those programming and you can make money out of it. So teaching is the next skill that pays you very much amount. Fifth, but not the last skill set that you can learn is public speaking. See, all of the role models, think of your role models. Who are they? Maybe it's Steve Jobs, maybe it's Bill Gates, maybe it's Mark Zuckerberg, someone, right? Maybe it's your own professor also. It may be anyone. But think if they can speak publicly or not. Are they introvert? Are they people who talk a lot in seminars and conferences? Yes, I guess, right? The people who are successful in their life have the skill set of public speaking. Money is very high in this. But these rich people and successful people don't do this for money, but to present your ideas to the world. If you want to be an entrepreneur also, you need this skill to tell people about your business and tell world about your business so that you can persuade them and make good deal. So these are the 5 skill sets anyone can learn and make good amount with these 5 skill sets. So learn this and be successful in near future. All the best, and I'll see you in the next one.